Welcome to ABN Business Update. The JSE closed the day up by 0.6% to close at 28,099 points. We spoke to Julian Wenzel of Macquarie First South Africa Securities looking at the day's trade.
I think the market started discounting a lot of the good news well in advance, but even this result showed that it had beaten market expectations. The stock reacted positively to it.
Yeah, we're up 2.5%.
You know, I used the comment earlier in our team today saying, China on steroids. In constant currency, the Asian Pacific region up 35% for the quarter. A remarkable performance. We've seen a reflex across the divisions in Richmond. Particularly encouraging was the unwinding of the destocking that we saw happen in the first half. People are starting to restock, buy an inventory, and that shows a confidence in the underlying consumer demand.
Nigerian market was up by 0.56% to close at 22,183 points. We spoke to Nalbuze Okone of UBA for more on the day's trade.
On the general sentiment, we think, like we've always postulated, that right now you get to see companies coming in on good buys prices, and you might see some drop coming in terms of speculative profit taking. But on the general trend, we continue to see the bearish run actually continue on the bourse for most of the remaining part of this week.
The NSE 20 ended the day up 1.57% to close at 3,545 points. We spoke to Fred Mweni of Savo Securities for the day's trade.
I think the growth in these economies in East Africa, starting from Rwanda, Uganda, Tanzania, have been going beyond 5%. Only Kenya is doing sluggishly at 1%, 1.5%. So if you look at that, I think there's so much opportunity for the consumption of goods and services, and this retail sector has taken over that side. I see Uchumi coming back, most likely because the AGM is coming too. The approval of that takeover of the loan from the government to become shares.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.